Seventh point, inhale Allah, the first point, and you think you are straight in your center of your head. Allahu. After finish seventh point, come to first point. Before finish, you do half minute only the first point. Inhale Allah, exhale here. After that, you sit peacefully. Now you are going to second part of the meditation. The first meditation, the first part, energy meditation. The second part is peace meditation. When you do the peace meditation, you can attain peaceness in your heart. Your stress, depression will go out, and you can cure your all disease yourself. So how will we do the peace meditation? Just you sit and close your eyes. Inhale Allah as you do before the first point, and exhale who outside. And you think in front of throne of God, Lord, throne of Lord, throne of Allah is in front of you. So when you exhale who, you think this is who going to strike that throne and come to you. The power is come to you. What happened when you do Allah inhale and exhale who? Exhale will strike that throne. From that power, brightness will come to your heart. This is give to you energy, your heart. So 2 minutes you do like this. Very normal way. Allah who. After 2 minutes, if you want anything, you can ask God. If you want bike, if you want make house, anything, you can ask God. After that, if you want cure your disease, you ask God, oh my Lord, send me the brightness to cure my disease. Just you think like this, and you keep your eyes closed and sit and think yourself, light is coming from Allah, from God. It is cure your disease, whatever it may be. If you have cancer, if you have kidney problem, if you have sugar, anything. If you think power is coming, brightness coming from God, it is cure myself. After that, you say, thank you God. You finish your meditation. If you do like that way, morning 20 minutes, evening 20 minutes, after 40 days, you can find yourself, you got relief from your stressness and depression, and you can, if you take medical report from medical and check after 40 days, that is, you can see the cure step by step. If you have cancer also, it will cure. That is sure. Say, there is no doubt. Please check this one and try and do this meditation before sun rises 20 minutes, after sun sets 20 minutes. After finish this one, you do 3 months. After, if you want more, another stages, you can, if you can contact me, I will show my master. He will help you to get the high power stages. So you have to continue this one every day. Don't leave. You can find yourself very peaceful life and cure your all disease. May Allah help you and me and everybody. Thank you.